Welcome to Canva for Beginners. In today's video, we will explore how to create stunning designs without needing Photoshop. Let's get started. First, let's set up your Canva account. Head to canva.com and click on Sign Up. It's easy. You can use your email, Google, or Facebook account. Now that you're signed in, let's explore the Canva dashboard. Here are some key features you'll love. Choosing the right template is crucial. Canva offers a wide range of options tailored to your needs, so you can get started quickly. Let's customize your designs. You can easily change text, images, and colors to fit your style and branding. Using Canva elements like shapes, icons, and graphics can elevate your designs. Experiment with different elements to make your work pop. Collaboration is easy in Canva. Share your designs with your team and edit them simultaneously. Let's keep the creativity flowing. Once you're finished, exporting your work is simple. Choose from various formats and share your designs with the world. Canva is perfect for creating eye-catching social media graphics. Let your creativity shine and connect with your audience. Now you have the tools to master Canva. Keep practicing, and you'll be creating like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.